In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a tooltip, hover to show text component in Figma. Start by opening your design. Add the tooltip message with the text tool by pressing T. Then click on the canvas and type your short help or hint text. Right-click that text and apply Auto Layout. Auto Layout makes spacing consistent and lets your tooltip resize neatly if you ever edit the message later. In the right sidebar, set comfortable horizontal and vertical padding so the text has breathing room. Add a dark fill color for strong contrast, and give the frame a small corner radius to soften the look. Next, click the polygon tool and draw a small shape to serve as the tooltip pointer. Place it under the bottom edge of the tooltip frame centered, so it lines up with the message. Select the pointer and the tooltip frame together and group them. This keeps the bubble and its pointer moving as one unit, which will be important when we animate the hover state. Now create a simple circular icon. Draw a circle, then add a question mark as a separate text layer on top. Position the question mark in the center of the circle and place this icon where you want users to hover to reveal the message. Arrange the tooltip group near the icon so it looks natural when it appears. Select the icon and the tooltip group, then click Create Component at the top center of the screen, or right-click and choose Create Component. With the main component selected, click the Add Variant button. In this second variant, make sure the tooltip message group is visible, so this will serve as the hover state. The default variant should focus on the icon so the tooltip feels hidden until interaction. Switch to the Prototype tab in the right sidebar. Link the variants by dragging the blue connection from the default variant to the second variant. In the interaction details, set the trigger to while hovering, the action to change to, the destination to the hover variant, and choose Smart Animate with an ease out transition around 200 milliseconds for a smooth, polished reveal. Then add a frame and go to Assets section, drag the component to the frame and position it. Click Preview to test. When you move your cursor over the icon, the tooltip appears. When you move away, it returns to the default state. Thanks for watching.